whole house water filter that protects your family and household appliance from iron, manganese, and more. Our iron water filter, FM25B, is specially designed for iron and manganese removal, reducing iron, max 3.0 parts per million, and manganese, max 1.0 parts per million. It lasts up to 3 times longer than greensand due to the catalytic media not being consumed in the process. The whole house water filter set also removes sediment, chlorine, rust, herbicides, industrial solvents, and various other contaminants. Whole house filter with standard size. Our water filter set fits standard housings that require 20x 4.5 whole house water filter cartridges, including brand name models. The 20x 4.5 whole house water filter replacement cartridges have a minimum impact on water flow, up to 15 GPM, and require minimum maintenance. Top-notch whole home water filter. The first stage high-capacity polypropylene sediment filter achieves filtration down to 5 micron. The second stage carbon block water filter is made of high-quality coconut shell carbon for maximum filtration efficiency and filter life. Both water filters are tested by an independent third party to meet NSF/NC standards. Both water filters have a capacity of 100,000 gallons of water, enough to supply a family of 4 with clean water for a full year. Peace of mind customer service. Register online to activate your manufacturer and lifetime free tech support from U.S. local support team. We stand behind our products, and if you encounter any problems with any of our products, please reach out to us immediately. We are happy to help. Please note, the whole house water filter replacement cartridges are individually wrapped to ensure freshness. Please unwrap before use. For well/pond water with very high iron/manganese, please check out iSpring WCFM 500K or WCFM 400K whole house water filters. Unlike an row membrane, these whole home water filters don't reduce total dissolved solids, TDS, and instead keep healthy minerals in your water. If you are interested in a filter that removes TDS, consider our iSpring row systems. Top reviews from the United States. Works on hard, high iron and manganese, high TDS well water, great customer service too. I've held off writing this review until the system has proven itself. I have been through a few attempts with Richard from iSpring helping me out along the way, and in June I finally installed this specific 3-stage set of filters. Our well water is problematic, and feeds 2 houses. One house uses this filter set, the other house uses a 5-micron filter, and a softener with iron-reducing chemicals. This filter set has proven itself to be far better than what I have on the other house, on the same water. I've had the water tested, and it's very hard, with high TDS, and high iron, manganese, which makes it difficult to treat reliably. At first I had an issue with a premature failure of an iron/manganese filter, so I wasn't convinced. Richard kindly offered this full set, which I was dubious about. In retrospect, I now suspect that the initial 5-micron filter wasn't sealed perfectly, and so dirty water was reaching the iron/manganese filter, which faulted prematurely. You have to be very careful to install these centrally in your housing,